You guys, I have happy mail from Beck, and Beck is just the absolute sweetest. She sent me some store-bought happy mail, so I'm gonna open it and then I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what's inside, and I am so curious about what this is. I'm like, what could this possibly be that's like already set like this? Like, I'm like so interested in what this could possibly be because it's like in a box already. So we're gonna open it together. I'm scared to open it. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Where did she even find it's like boo mail, but like already made. So we have this pumpkin mug, and this is not even just Halloween, like this is for the fall. How cute is this? Look, guys. That is so sweet. I was like, girl, you do not have to send me. She's like, I want to. I'm like, okay. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Like, how did you even find this? I've never even heard of anything like this. Look at the socks. Oh, I love these socks. And I love the top. That little squiggly line is so cute. Okay, and then she sent this thing. This is adorable. Honestly and truly, this is... I have never seen anything like this. Oh my gosh. And it says, Happy Halloween. This is cute. This little tag. I'm going to have to save this. Okay, we have like some self-care items. This is fun. It smells good. It's like a little pumpkin bath bomb. Oh my gosh, these are like bath salts. How cute! And look at this. This is so pretty. It doesn't say what it is, like, but I'm sure it's like something fancy. It has these like fancy like seeds kind of things on it, so it probably is like something very natural and very like healthy. And then let's see what's in here. Oh, how cute. This is a this is adorable. It's a little candle, and look how they did the wick. How cute is that? And then if that is not enough, she also got me the next item, so I'll be right back. Okay, so you know how like the fancy YouTubers, like the real people, have like the their name like in like a little acrylic thing whenever they do their videos, they have like their like YouTube name. And so Beck messaged me asking me if I had one of those, and I was like, no, I like keep forgetting to get one. I've been meaning to ask like other people where do they get theirs from or whatever. And she was like, you can't buy your own. And I'm like, what do you mean? I'm like, is this a rite of passage? So Beck got one made for me, you guys. Let's open it together. Okay, so it's in here. Let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, wait. This is so cute. Let me not cry. What's wrong with me? Look how cute. So it's from, you guys don't have to ask, it's from My Lovely Baby Whale. Okay, that's the name. And this is so cute. Oh my, look guys, it says Leave It to Lisa Crafts. Now I'm official. It even says TikTok, which I am on TikTok, but I just don't post on TikTok yet. But I might eventually, we'll see. Ah, this is so pretty. You guys see how glittery it is? Oh my word. So now when I do my videos, I can put this somewhere and be fancy like the fancy people on YouTube. You guys, look how fancy I am. Look at that. Does that look more official? Not with this raggedy mat in the background. I'm working on that. I have one coming, but not the one. I think I just have a glass mat coming. It's not anything fancy, but it's definitely not this, because I've been sewing, as you can see, the remnants of it. You can see them, and this won't do. It's gonna make my videos ugly, but this is gonna make my videos pretty. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so pretty. Thank you so much, Beck. You guys, Beck is so sweet. She's too good to me. And so that is my boo veil. So I have one part boo and the other part is like just too sweet, extra sweet. Oh my gosh. I guess she made the person made this with a laser, and they backed it with like wood, and then they did acrylic, and then they did like this might be 3D printed. I don't even know, because yeah, it is. It's 3D. This is so cool. Anyway, thank you, Beck. I will make sure I put all of the info to Beck, her channel and everything in the description bar, and of course in the title you'll see like Beck's Crafting World too. And make sure you subscribe. She actually has a challenge going on right now where she's trying to reach 500 subscribers, and it's still open, so you could still even enter the challenge. And I don't remember what the prize is. I think it might be a gift card. I'm not sure. But make sure you head over there and check her out. Thank you so much, Beck. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.